What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use the magic mask in DaVinci Resolve. Where to find it? You go to the color tab space, and in the color workspace you want to add a new node. So I have a shortcut, Alt S, but if you don't have a shortcut, click on your first node, click on your right, and then you're gonna add a serial node. So in this node, we want to create our magic mask. Alright, so where to find the magic mask? Down here you have some really cool tools, and you see also magic mask. You want to click on it, and right up here you have two options. You can do object mask or person mask, but to be really honest with you, I always do object mask, and like 100% of the time it does the job for me. So I'm gonna leave it on object mask. The next thing that you want to do is you want to enable the mask overlay so that you can see what you mask out, and that will be a red color. And then you're gonna click on the plus button, and now you're gonna draw a line on the person that you want to mask out. So in my case, I want to mask them out both. So I do something like this, enable. And you see now a red color, and that is basically what you mask out. And it did a really good job already. I forgot a little bit of here. You're gonna add it. So if you have some unwanted mask that you want to delete, just simply hit the minus button and zoom in the part that you want to mask out or that you want to delete. And right up here, this tiny part I want to delete, and you just delete it. Now you see a little bit of the arm is gone, so I want to put this back. Okay, that's good for me. Now the next thing is you need to choose between the quality, faster or better. I always leave it on faster. That really does the job for me. But if you have a really powerful computer, I would suggest to do better. And then you're gonna click on the right, that DaVinci needs to mask out everything to the right. Now the fun thing is going to start, because you can put in an effect on the thing that you mask. I'm gonna drag this effect into this node, and now you see that the people are blurred, but we want the outside to be blurred. So we're gonna click on this one, and then we want to change it, we want to swap it, and boom, pretty cool. You now blurred out the background and really precise masked out your people in the front. You are almost done, but you want to make this look perfect. How can you do this? You want to change clean white, and you want to change clean back. Because if you look really good here, you see that this has a kind of a bloom effect, but we can change it. We want to change clean white. And now you just cleaned up everything really perfect. Let me throw another cool effect on it. So let me delete this Gaussian blur, and let's throw on a vignette. And now you can see really good what I did with the whites. You cleaned out the whites, but in this case, you want to clean out the blacks, and you want to pull the whites back. You see that? And clean the blacks. Bam. And now you have a really nice, cool vignette image. Of course, this is way too heavy, but this is just to give you an example what you can do with cleaning the whites and cleaning the blacks. So another tip that I want to give you is when you use the magic mask like this, and you want to go back to your node, and you want, for example, give it more color, more contrast, whatever you want to do, you will see what happens. Boom. Don't panic, okay? Because you can go back to your node, and this red line, very simple, just track it again, and this line will get blue, and that means that your magic mask is now correct again. Alright guys, I hope you learned something today. I hope you're gonna use the magic mask tool as well. It's a really cool and quick tool to use, and I'm gonna check you out in my next video. Bye bye!